Hello, boys and girls, it's me again. So, I want to show you how you can create beautiful, professional looking fraction models in Google Slides. Now, am I saying that you have to do this? No. Am I even recommending it? Not really necessarily, because it could be a little tricky. Drawing the models is a great skill to have, and I want you to have that model. But if you're like me and you like to see what you can do with technology and make things look really professional, you might want to just give this a try, and then it will be something else you could use to show your fraction models when you're working in Google Slides, which is where your exit tickets are. So I'm going to open up Google Slides, and you will see here is a beautiful fraction model that I created, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So first of all, I need to make another slide. Whoops. Is that where we make another slide? Yeah, all right. Just grab a slide. Okay, there we go. Now, I don't want this double tap to add title. I don't need that. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to delete it. Now, I want to add something to the slide, so you know you go to the plus sign. And I'm going to start with a shape, and I'm going to choose this square. Now, here's the thing. When I was showing you how to draw models, we were drawing the whole first, and then dividing it up into the fractional parts. But if you're going to do it this way in Google Slides, you want to start with the fractional parts and build the whole. So I'm going to start with, actually creating thirds. So I'm going to tap on this one part. Well, actually, it's already highlighted, so I'm going to choose a color. I like this color. I think it's pretty, so I'm going to choose that color. And there you go. So there's one of my thirds. Now, it's still in bold, so if I click on it, I can copy it. And if I click on it again, I can paste it. Once I have it, now I've got two of my thirds. I'm going to click on it again and paste another. Now this is showing 3/3, but let's say I want to show only 2/3 shaded. I'm going to, since it's has a border around it, I'm going to click on the little paint can again, and I'm just going to change it white. There we go. So now I have a model that shows 2/3. Now let's say I want to show how many sixths are equivalent to 2/3. I'm going to create another bar model beneath, so I can just click, actually I'm going to start with the blue. I'm going to click on it, copy and paste, and I'm just going to bring it down here. I can paste another right there, and then finally I'm going to paste. Oops. Okay, I don't know what I did there. Okay, I actually wanted that one to be white so that it was exactly the same above it. So I'm clicking on a little paint can, change it white. There you go. So now it's just showing that 2/3 is equal to 2/3, but I want to take that bottom bar and I want to change it into 6. So I need the line tool. I'm going to go up. I'm going to get my line tool. I just want the basic line. And this is where it gets a little tricky. I don't even know why it looks like this, but I'm just going to bring this down, and I'm clicking on the little circle to straighten it out, and then just moving it. And then now I have it in the place I want it to be to split that third into 2 parts. I'm going to click on it, copy it, and click on it and paste it. And then I have another one to move here, and then I'm going to click on it and paste another one to move here. Okay, and there we go. And then you can see I didn't do it perfectly, those little lines, but that's okay. If I want to fix that, gets tricky, trying to be too perfect. Oh, but I did it. Look at that. I don't know if I'm going to be successful twice, but let's see. Did I do it? I'm closer. There we go. We're getting very professional here. Okay. Whoops, now it messed up. All right, straighten that out. There we go. Yay. Now, to add text, as you know, to add a text box to show in a number sentence, I'm just going to go up to the plus sign, add a text box. And I want to make this bigger because it prints really small, and I would ask you to do this if you can remember, because it's hard for me to see it when I go to look at your work. So I'm going to make this much bigger so we can really see it. So, and then I'm just going to say So I started with 2/3, and I am showing that 2/3 is equal to, and I can show the unit fractions added. So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals, and then 4/6. And there we go. And I'm just going to dry that down there. And if I really want to make it look very professional, I probably would want to center this underneath. There we go. Ta-da! That's how you do it. So you have other ways to draw models, and you can just take pictures and put them on your slides. But if you feel like trying this out, this is fun if you like to do this kind of thing, and it makes beautiful professional looking models. I recommend trying both. Why not? Enjoy. Bye.